In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate offers on your eBay listings for 2025 by enabling the best offer option. If you're looking to give buyers the flexibility to send you offers, this is a great option that can help you maximize both sales and customer engagement. Let's delve into the simple steps to get this feature up and running on your eBay listings. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Make sure you have your username and password handy, and ensure that you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple ones. Once you're logged in, navigate to My eBay and click on the Selling tab. This is your hub for all of your selling activities, making it easy to manage and adjust your listings. Once you're in the selling section, you'll see various options. Click on the Listings tab. Here, you have the flexibility to create a new listing or edit an existing one depending on what you need. Let's assume you already have a product listed and you're looking to adjust the offers on an existing item. Now go ahead and scroll down to the pricing section of your listing. This is where the magic happens. You need to ensure that the format of your listing is set to buy it now. The best offer feature works specifically with the buy it now format, so if your listing is set to auction or other formats, you'll need to adjust that before proceeding. Next, keep an eye out for an option that reads something like allow offers. eBay makes this part relatively straightforward, so look for that toggle and make sure to switch it on. By enabling this setting, you allow potential buyers to send you offers, making your listing more engaging and dynamic. Once you've toggled the option, eBay will automatically enable offers on that specific listing. This means that buyers can now see the best offer button, giving them a chance to propose what they're willing to pay. Another useful tip is to set a minimum price that you're willing to accept. This step isn't mandatory, but it can be very beneficial. By setting a minimum price threshold, you filter out lower offers that might not meet your expectations, streamlining the kind of offers you receive. It's a great way to manage negotiations and ensure you stay within your desired price range. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can activate offers on your eBay listings, giving you the chance to interact with potential buyers more dynamically. Enabling offers not only boosts your visibility, but also creates a more engaging shopping experience that can lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with enhancing your eBay selling experience.